Welcome to Zell, a stunning lakeside town nestled amidst the breathtaking beauty of the Austrian Alps, where outdoor adventures await in every season. Explore the crystal-clear waters of Lake Zell, where you can swim, paddleboard, or simply relax on the shore, soaking in the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. Embark on a hiking adventure amidst the majestic peaks of the Alps, with a network of trails catering to all skill levels. From leisurely strolls to challenging summits. In winter, Zell transforms into a snowy wonderland, with world-class ski slopes and snowparks offering thrills for skiers and snowboarders of all abilities. Wander through the charming streets of the town center, where historic buildings, quaint shops, and cozy cafes create a welcoming atmosphere for visitors to enjoy. Savor the flavors of Austrian cuisine at the town's traditional restaurants and lakeside eateries, where you can sample local specialties and hearty alpine dishes. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping adventures on the slopes, serene moments by the lake, or simply wish to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the Alps, Zell offers an unforgettable experience for all who visit.